is a strawberry pancake.
Enjoy your breakfast, girl. Okay.
One more.
What? We are done.
No.
Maybe next time.
Don't say that.
All the
no, that's
pan-
not good.
Yes, pancake is a great breakfast option once in a while. Let's see the making of pancakes. Main ingredients to make these pancakes are
slightly ripe bananas, which increase good bacteria.
eggs, milk, flour. I take wheat flour, jaggery, no sugar, some honey. For toppings, you can use strawberries, bananas, and nuts if you like.
Cut the ripe bananas into pieces.
Then break the eggs and add them into the same blender. Add some milk and jaggery and some flour. Put all the ingredients in the blender and blend it well. Take all the blended ingredients into a bowl and mix it well. Now turn on the stove and grease some ghee or butter. Pour the batter. Make sure to put the stove on a low flame. Then let it cook for a minute and flip it for 30 seconds. That's it. It is ready to serve hot. The juicy, puffy and delicious pancakes are ready to eat. Enjoy.
Or honey?
Okay.
Swirly. Ooh. Oh my god. Yep, that's how to do it. Oh my god. It's so cool.
Hello.
Hello.
Who is up for pancakes?
Me.
Okay.
Strawberries and bananas instead of blueberries.
Okay, eat.
Yeah, the taste is like banana. Maybe this one.
Yes,
Strawberry.
it is with banana.
So delicious.
So delicious.
More delicious with strawberry.
So tasty.
Awesome.
More delicious with strawberry.
More delicious with banana pancake.
And strawberry.
Banana is so good.
Mamma mia. Mamma mia.
Mamma mia.
No, it's like this. Mamma mia. Mamma mia. This is just strawberry pancake.
Enjoy your breakfast, girls.
Cheers. A sip, a sip. Say cheers. Can I have another pancake? One, no.
really want one more?
Yep.
Leave your comments below if you like the recipe. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Stay tuned.